Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'll be going over techniques for separating mixtures, and I am back on the matter unit. Yeah, I know I took a break from that for a while to do gas laws and stuff, but we're back with matter. Yippee. So yeah, first technique is filtration. Filtration is a process by which a precipitate is recovered from a mixture. So a precipitate is an insoluble solid formed when two solutions are mixed together, and filtration is used for separating heterogeneous mixtures. So here's how it works. First, you'll need your filter, which is this thing, and you put your filter paper in it. So like a funnel and a filter paper, and then the filtration apparatus to hold the funnel. And you're gonna sit this over a beaker. And then you're gonna take the mixture that you want and pour it into the funnel. And as the liquid passes through the filter, the solid particles are trapped on the filter surface, while the liquid, which is the filtrate, collects in the beaker. And then once the liquid has gone through the paper, you can remove the paper with the solid residue if you want to look at it more, or you can toss it. So yeah. Next we have evaporation. So evaporation is the surface transition of a liquid to gas. You should probably know this from third grade, the water cycle. And all you really have is your salt solution, your evaporating dish over a tripod with a heating thing. I don't have a good picture of it, but an example of this would be salt water can be separated into salt and water by heating it, and as the water evaporates, the salt is left in the dish. That's all it is. Next is distillation. Distillation is the simultaneous boiling of a liquid and condensation of its vapor. So it's based on the differences in boiling points, and it works by having a liquid mixture in the distillation is heated in the distillation flask, and as the temperature rises, the component with the lowest boiling point starts to vaporize first. In the condenser, the vapor is produced, rises through the column. Oh wait, it goes to this. Goes to this into the condenser, and then in the condenser, the vapor is cooled. Usually by running cold water around the outside of the tube, and as it cools, the vapor condenses back into a liquid, which it goes into the receiving flask, the distillate. Excess water is expelled through these things. Yeah, this is also how you make distilled water. It is used to separate two liquids with different boiling points, or a solid dissolved in a liquid. The distillation is also a purification process. Finally, we have chromatography. Chromatography is a process by which components of certain mixtures can be separated because of differences in solubility and polarity. So maybe you did this in bio last year with the spinach leaf chromatography paper, which is what we have here. Basically, solubility is the ability of a substance to dissolve in another substance, which forms a homogeneous mixture called a solution. And polarity is the distribution of an electrical charge around atoms, molecules, or chemical groups, and it affects how substances interact with each other, particularly in terms of solubility and reactivity. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helps.